Yeah, that's probably the best because I'm working all day tomorrow.
Yeah, him my Pepsi.
But I can
Chewy, chewy, chewy.
tell you what you're looking at.
Yeah.
Whenever Chewy looks outside, she goes close to the thing. She's like, my.
Huh?
Whenever Chewy goes out to the door over there, when she sees
That means that she's going to the bathroom.
because she's been doing it. Dad, Dad, why does she keep going up to the thing?
What are you doing over there?
Why does she do that?
Okay.
Yeah, talk about that.
It's a dog! No, Chewy!
Hey, Moses. Fuck that. What up, bro?
Here, quick, close the door. And Chewy, Chewy,
You too. Chewy.
come here.
You dog?
Yep.
What kind of dog is it?
Pitbull.
Oh.
Hey, back. Come here. Get out of there. Imagine her on my birthday. Because I imagine her on my birthday.
Sure, like.
Okay. I will get over there tomorrow.
She's the hyper dog. Holy crap. That was funny.
Play Papa.
Boom, buff and dive. Chewy, chewy, chewy. Because let her get it. I let him get it. Let Chewy get it. Where is it?
It's over there.
You have to show her where. Yeah, show him where it is.
It's right here.
Show where it is, Lizzie. I have the box.
Showed up.
Play toy.